Hello, welcome to Jamb 2011 Economics Past Question 7. It says if demand for one commodity excludes another, it is said to be. Option A says complementary demand. Option B says competitive demand. And option C says composite demand, and option D says derived demand. Now, a competitive demand can be defined as a situation when two commodities are fairly close substitutes to each other. They are in competitive demand. In other words, they serve the same purpose or perform a similar function, such that an increase in the demand for one will result in a fall in the demand for the other. Examples include Bonvita, and Ovaltine. Examples include Omo and Elephant. These are examples of elephant detergents. These are examples of competitive demand. So our option is option B, which says competitive demand. Thank you, and please subscribe for more questions.